Welcome back to CurioVerse, where we dive deep into the wonders of our world, exploring the most fascinating and mysterious parts of our planet. Today, we're heading down to the depths of the ocean, where sunlight can't reach, and creatures beyond our wildest imagination roam. Let's explore 10 of the most incredible discoveries from the deep ocean. 1. The Mariana Trench, the deepest known part of the ocean. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of Earth's oceans and one of the most mysterious places on the planet. With a depth of about 36,000 feet, it's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The trench was first explored in 1960, but its true secrets have only been slowly unveiled over the years. The trench is home to a diverse array of life forms that have adapted to the extreme pressure and cold temperatures. Some of the most remarkable discoveries in the trench include bioluminescent creatures and life forms that thrive in complete darkness. In recent years, scientists have discovered unique organisms living in the trench, including newly identified species of shrimp, worms, and jellyfish, each adapted to the harsh conditions of the abyss. What's truly astounding about the Mariana Trench is its inaccessibility. It's a place so remote that only a handful of expeditions have been able to reach the bottom, and each new exploration continues to reveal previously unknown creatures and geological features. One of the most notable recent discoveries was the sighting of a strange, unknown species of snailfish, found at depths greater than any other fish had been recorded before. 2. The deep-sea jellyfish. Jellyfish are common in the ocean, but there are some species that inhabit the deepest and most remote parts of the ocean. These deep-sea jellyfish can be found at depths of 4,000 meters or more, where no light penetrates. Unlike their shallow water relatives, deep-sea jellyfish are often bioluminescent, using light to attract prey or communicate in the dark waters. Some species of deep-sea jellyfish, like the Chrysota milsea, have a unique feature: long, trailing tentacles that can reach up to 40 meters in length. These jellyfish are thought to use their tentacles to capture small plankton and other creatures in the abyss. The bioluminescence of these jellyfish is particularly mesmerizing, with a glow that can range from blue to green, and some species even flash in intricate patterns to attract mates or confuse predators. Scientists are still studying these creatures to understand how they survive in such a hostile environment. Their jelly-like bodies allow them to float effortlessly in the deep ocean, and their unique ability to generate light in the absence of sunlight is one of the many mysteries of the deep-sea ecosystem. 3. The vampire squid. The vampire squid, Vampirotuthis infernalis, is a fascinating creature that lives in the oxygen minimum zone of the ocean, typically between 2,000 and 3,000 feet below the surface. Despite its name, the vampire squid is not a bloodsucker but rather a scavenger that feeds on detritus, including dead plankton, jellyfish, and other organic matter that sinks from above. What sets the vampire squid apart is its unique physiology and appearance. Its large, dark eyes are adapted to the low light levels of the deep ocean, and it has a cloak-like membrane that connects its arms, giving it a bat-like appearance. When threatened, the vampire squid can eject a cloud of bioluminescent mucus, which confuses predators and gives it a chance to escape. The vampire squid is also notable for its ability to survive in low-oxygen environments where most other animals would perish. This ability is thanks to its unique metabolic system, which allows it to make the most of the limited oxygen available. 4. The goblin shark. The goblin shark, sometimes referred to as the living fossil, is one of the most unusual sharks found in the deep ocean. This rare species lives at depths of around 100 to 1,200 meters, typically in the waters off Japan, the Gulf of Mexico, and other remote parts of the world. Its most striking feature is its long, flat snout and protruding jaw, which can extend forward to capture prey. The goblin shark's appearance may look alien, but it is perfectly adapted to the deep-sea environment. It has electroreceptive organs on its snout that help it detect prey buried in the ocean floor, and its long, slender body is designed for swift movement through the deep waters. Despite its somewhat eerie look, the goblin shark poses no threat to humans and is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation. 5. The Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus, named after the Disney character due to its ear-like fins, is a small but highly adapted creature found at extreme depths of up to 7,000 meters. Unlike other octopus species, the Dumbo octopus does not use jet propulsion to move, but instead flaps its fins to glide gracefully through the water. It is a master of camouflage and can blend into its environment to avoid predators. This octopus is not only a marvel of deep-sea biology but also a testament to the strange and wonderful adaptations that marine life undergoes to survive in the harshest conditions on Earth. Its soft, gelatinous body allows it to fit into tight spaces and avoid detection, making it one of the most elusive creatures in the ocean. 6. The deep-sea hatchetfish. The hatchetfish is a deep-sea species that gets its name from its unique, hatchet-like shape. Found at depths of 200 to 1,500 meters, These fish have specialized bioluminescent organs that help them camouflage in the pitch-black depths. Their flat bodies make them difficult to spot by predators, and they use their bioluminescence to blend in with the faint light from above, effectively hiding from both predators and prey. Hatchetfish are part of the broad family of lanternfish, and they play an important role in the deep-sea food chain. Their ability to produce light is a crucial adaptation in an environment where sunlight never reaches. Scientists are still learning how these creatures use their light, but it's believed to help with communication, mating, and hunting. 7. The anglerfish. Anglerfish are one of the most famous and terrifying creatures of the deep ocean. These fish are known for the bioluminescent lure that hangs from their heads, which they use to attract prey in the pitch-black depths. The anglerfish's body is covered in sharp, needle-like teeth that make it look more like a creature from a horror movie than a fish. One of the most well-known species is the Lasiognathus, also known as the football fish. These fish are capable of living at extreme depths, sometimes over 2,000 meters, and their adaptations allow them to survive in the harshest conditions. The anglerfish's bioluminescent lure is actually a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that produce light, which is used to draw in smaller fish. 8. The deep-sea viperfish. Viperfish, with their large fangs and bioluminescent organs, are among the ocean's most fearsome predators. Found at depths of 250 to 5,000 meters, these fish have adapted to the extreme pressures and low light levels of the deep sea. Their elongated bodies and enormous teeth are designed to help them capture and hold onto prey that ventures too close. What's particularly fascinating about the viperfish is its ability to produce light using special organs called photophores. These photophores are arranged along the body and tail of the fish, creating a stunning, eerie glow that lures in smaller fish and creatures, making it easier for the viperfish to strike. The viperfish is a prime example of the adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. The deep ocean remains one of the most mysterious and unexplored frontiers on Earth. With each new discovery, we learn more about the extraordinary creatures that thrive in its darkest depths. From glowing jellyfish to parasitic anglerfish, the deep ocean is full of wonders that continue to captivate our imagination. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the deep sea. Be sure to subscribe to CurioVerse for more fascinating insights into the world's greatest mysteries.